Bison. Powerful adhesives. Bison Montage Kit makes nails and screws redundant. With Montage Kit, you have the best solution for every construction adhesive task in hand because Montage Kit has an extremely high final strength, is quick and easy to use, fills open cavities, is permanently elastic, and is suitable for all materials and surfaces. Bison Montage Kit makes nails and screws redundant. Montage Kit Super Strength, the universal construction adhesive for indoors and outdoors that adheres solidly to non-porous materials and is also resistant to aging, moisture, and chemicals. Ideal for materials under tension. For adhesion of all sorts of materials. Resistant to extreme weather conditions. Impact resistant. Montage Kit Extreme Grip is the construction adhesive with extremely high initial bonding strength. Parts are permanently joined upon contact. Ideal for vertical applications. Perfect for quick, strong bonding above your head. Montage Kit Transparent is the invisible construction adhesive, perfect for many decorative applications. Invisible bonding. Many other decorative applications. Montage Kit Polystyrene is the super strong construction adhesive with high initial bonding strength. Ideal for solidly fixing polystyrene objects that should bond immediately to porous surfaces. Solidly fixing polystyrene objects. Excellent for assembling decorative materials such as decorative edgings. Bison Montage Kit makes nails and screws redundant. Bison. Powerful adhesives.